How to fix the Steam application not opening on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Are you trying to access the Steam application which is installed on your Windows but is unable to? If so, here are the solutions that you can definitely try. To get started with, we have to close all the current Steam trees. This can be done via the Task Manager. To open the Task Manager, right-click anywhere on the taskbar. From the two options, you have to select on Task Manager and it will open another page. Hereby, you have to search for the Steam application that is currently running, right-click and end the task. Do the same for the Steam tree as well. And once that is done, let's move on to the next solution. For this, open the Run tab by pressing Windows plus R and type in %local app data % and hit OK. This will open the file location. Now that is open, search for the Steam folder. Right-click on it and delete it. Once the local app data is deleted for the Steam folder, let's move on to update the Steam application and flush config. For doing so, open the Run tab again and type in steam /flush config and hit the OK button. This will give a pop-up regarding the Steam update that has been going on. And once the update is completed, the Steam application will be opening and good to go. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.